as with all inhalers, check the mouthpiece. Check there's no foreign bodies such as crumbs, or if it's been in a handbag for a while, you could well have the back of an earring or something like that. So just be careful, there's nothing there for you to inhale and choke on. So that's looking nice and clear. Give it a shake. Exhale fully first. Start breathing in and depress the canister so that you can take a full breath in and get a full dose of the medication, like this. And hold for a count of 10. The count of 10 is important. A breath hold after the use of any device is important so that the medication is absorbed in the lung tissue and it isn't just sitting in the back of the throat or in the upper airways. Put the dust cap back on until it's needed again.